Going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Hyundai Palisade. I'm checking the cabin air filter out from this customer today to see if we want to replace it. This should be a really good tutorial if you want to replace yours. The cabin filter is going to be located behind the glove box door. We need to lower this glove box door all the way and get behind it back here. To do that, first step we're going to need to do is disconnect the damper here. Now you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, small one, big one. It doesn't really matter. This is too tight to do this with your hands, so you're going to get the small flathead screwdriver. You're going to go underneath it like right here, and you're going to actually just pry it right off. Okay, come right off, just like that. All right, just move it out of the way. Now there are these stoppers right here on the sides that we're going to take out. There's two of them. And we're just going to turn this counterclockwise. We're going to lift the glove box up a little bit, turn it counterclockwise, and they'll just come right out. Okay, don't worry about mixing these up. They're exactly the same. So you can just take them and drop them down. You'll see how the glove box kind of folds down a little extra now. And the cabin filter is in here. And we're going to take this door off. To do that, on the right side here, there are these two clips that we are going to squeeze together, and we're going to pull towards us. On this side here, there's no clips on the left side. It's just this tab that goes in the slot, like this. Okay, so put that down right here like that. And before we pull out this filter, this is the factory filter here with the factory part number if you need it. The airflow direction is down. And put this out and check it out. This one is definitely dirty. I'm definitely going to recommend to my customer that they're going to want to change it. So we look in here, there's all kinds of dirt and stuff like that. It's pretty gross. All right. If you need one, I'm going to leave the part number and a link down below if you want to pick up a filter if you need to do yours. Okay. So I'm going to put this one back, and then I'm going to write it up in my ticket so I can complete the video, and I'll tell the customer they need one. We're just going to get the door pop back on here like this. And we're going to get the glove box door. We're not going to put the stoppers in yet. I'm going to use the damper over here to kind of help me out since I'm doing this with one hand. But it just snaps back on. Just be careful not to pull this down and break that, okay? Now these stoppers, there's no wrong way to do this. We're going to stick them in here. Move the glove box up, and then we'll turn it clockwise to lock them in. We'll do that on both sides. All right, and then we're all done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.